my God, one more.
Just get 8 and then 40.
Parang ganito. Parang kasi may ganito akong top eh. Na-partner ko dun sa ano ko. Dun sa jeans, sa top ko. At pala sinukat ko kanina. Go. Talikod. Ay, harap. Huwag mong takpan yung ano. Talikod ka lang, ganyan. Okay. Okay. Ano, ilagay?
I like it.
Hindi ba mainit?
No,
Mahaba masyado?
it's perfect. It's fine.
Didikit ko lang.
Oh, you're.
Touch na tayo eh.
Ano yung ano?
Diba? Makakapag-retouch ka na wherever you go. We're gonna cross to Bonifacio High School. May labubo dun, labo. Labubo.
Sorry, Angel. What I was talking about.
Ha?
Yeah.
Go straight there. Go straight. Tuwang-tuwa yarn.
Oh my God. Picture me there.
Ito yung price. Oh my goodness. So, ano yun? Sunny. Oh my God. What's your?
Hippers.
Okay,
Okay, it's a blind unboxing.
Blind
Yeah.
unboxing?
You don't know which one's inside. See, you get to pick.
You got to pick.
Yeah.
Parang labubo din.
Yeah.
Pero the smaller one.
Yeah, it's cute. Okay, after
There has more there.
this one is this is keychain.
Mas maganda yung keychain.
I wanna attach it to my phone.
Ah, okay. What about the other one? Ano
Those are
yun?
just like standing ones.
Oh. Well, alin ang ano?
This is the fruit vegetable version. It's just like it stands. It's like a collectible.
Okay, alin lang yung panglagay sa ano? Sa
This one.
only this one?
I don't know.
You can look po. Yung panglagay daw sa ano? Sa kanyang cellphone. Ayan
Wait,
yung...
which version should I get?
May version ba yan?
Yeah. It's different.
12.
No, like the different characters.
Ah. Maybe it depends how much.
It's all the same.
Sunny, dito sa Pulubog.
Wait, I don't know which one.
Oh, you only got one.
No, you can get two and then we both do it.
Oh my god! No, I don't want to.
Okay.
What is that in there? What are you gonna do with the phone? Just
You can
is it a
stick it on
camera?
there.
What's the use?
It's like an accessible.
What do you mean accessible?
It's hard to. Okay, in there, it's like look, there's like a sticky thing. Then you can stick it on the back.
And is that it? Just a decoration? Oh my god! It's just a decoration. No, only get one. I don't want that in my phone. I have a lot of.
It's cute.
I have a lot of stuff on my phone already. That's. Ano daw yung kanya?
I want to look. Wait.
Natatarang.
See, look, this.
Ah,
You
ito?
can attach it, and it looks like that.
Oh my god. Okay. Diyos me yung mga ano-ano na to.
Which one should I get?
I don't know. Which one you gonna get? No. Ayan, ayan.
Wait, should I get that one or the other one?
I don't know, but I like the pink one.
Yeah, but the other ones are.
What you mean? Alin?
Ito, hindi per din to.
Ah, so ito, lahat ng yan, yun ang choices.
Yeah.
This one of these is
Yeah.
inside. But this one is,
It's the same. It's
this is
just.
cute. This one.
Yeah. But I like the looking back. But actually, I like this.
Which one is the more you like?
This one.
This one, you only got one.
You only get
one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe this one because you
Yeah,
have more
this one.
chance. Oh, how much is it then? Tignan mo yung price doon. Kung magkano. Ano bang tawag dyan?
Hippers.
Heifers? Asan yung heifers?
They're all the
Ito.
same price.
Ah, okay. 549.
Okay, wait. I need to choose which one's calling to me.
Oh my god. Which, you need to choose the one who's calling to her. Because she's going to unbox it.
Okay, wait. Actually, I'm not gonna drink.
What?
Animal stem.
Do not wait. Oh, do not wait daw. do not wait. Wait. It means if you like that, because you see what's inside it, right? Dali na, pili na isa lang. Oh, that's different one. So which one is
I
one?
like this one.
Patingin na the other choices. Sorry. It's all look the same.
No, it's kind of different. Okay,
Is
I'm
it?
gonna pick.
Okay. Okay, balik mo. Sige, mag-pick ka. Mini, mini mo. mini, mini mo. Dali. Surprise. Mini mo. Ah, sure na? Sure na yan?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Diba? Tawang-tawa yung bata. May nakuhang laruan. Laruan niya na pagkaliit-liit. Ang mahal-mahal. I-unbox daw niya dito. Ay! Unboxing natin. Hindi niya ma-open kasi naka-seal daw. Butasin mo. Sayang yung plastic. Tara! Unboxing! Surprise! Tingnan natin kung ano yung laman. So what do you expect?
I want that one.
Dalawa? Anong color ba yan? Anong mga kulay?
It's animals.
Sige na, unbox mo. Dito na kami nag-unbox. Excited masyado. Diba? Pagkaliit-liit lang. So tiny. And then you will put it in your phone.
Yeah. Right there.
Don't rip the box. Ako na nga mag-unbox. Ako na mag-unbox. Oh, parang labubo din. School version ng labubo. Oh, ganyan mo. Ganito siya.
No, what if...
Okay. Ganyan mo muna. Gano'n. Aesthetic ang pang
Wait, I'm gonna guess what it is first.
Okay.
I feel,
Tapos ayan, you can lift it up.
I feel ears.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's the one I didn't want.
Oh! Oh, wala kang choice. Ayan na yan.
Yeah, then you just stick
It's
it.
elephant.
I didn't want this.
Really?
Yeah.
Ano ba yung...
I wanted that one.
Oh my God.
Let's exchange with
Google
someone.
ka, hindi na pwedeng ibalik yan. So, ito yun.
Yeah.
So, yun yung nakuha mo pa, yung ayaw mo pa. Ano ba yan? Hindi, you can start collecting.